Mhuri yaZimbabwe ndadzoka zvekare pachivhidhivhidhi chenyu paCulian TV kuti tionesane zvinhu zviri kuitika nezvinhu zviri kutora nzvimbo. Nhasi ndine muteereri akatsamwa ari muchiki ari kuda kuti ataure nyaya dzaari kuda kutaura. Sekutaura kwandinozviita kuti munhu wese akasununguka kuti ange ari pachivhidhivhidhi achitaura. Regedzai ndimhanye kumuteereri tinzwe kuti inyaya yechi yatiri kuda kuoneswa panapa. Yes, my brother, how are you? Welcome to Culian TV. Ndiri bo zvangu amene kuriseyo kwamuri ikoko. Ichokwadi ngatipinde munyaya yacho matibata pachivhidhivhidhi kudai so tinzwe kuti zvakamira sei, ndeipi yamuri kuda kutaura nevana veZimbabwe kuti vanzwe apo.
Zvacho dzakati one day but nhasi ndinotanga meyandango sangana nayo.
Yes.
Pa YouTube yakoma Traore.
Alright. Hanzi kudi taurai nesu tinzwe. Taurai nevana veZimbabwe.
Yeah, because Traore uyu even nyango ndikada kuti timu defend. Ndinonetsa because Traore has been advocating for General Chiwenga for the longest time.
Yes.
I think inini kuti ndibve Traore. Especially the last 3 months or so.
Yes.
I got to Chiwenga tet.
Alright.
So, how can you change? This has been a trend here.
Yes.
And Traore is not the first person.
Yes.
Tagana switch on the likes of another psychology, the likes of another the list goes on and on.
Okay.
Because what Traore, that is not going to get Traore. It's not that that is true. No satisfied in ZANU-PF.
Yes.
If ZANU-PF does not threaten you, they will bribe you.
Okay.
So, if Traore was not threatened, he was bribed.
Okay.
Because if Traore could what you went to office before 2030, as 2030, I'm going to march over a bill. Right, that is one in 2030. But I advocate that General Chiwenga will be president before 2030. Right? I shall decide. So simply because after you are married or after now you're turning tables, it doesn't make sense.
Okay.
Yeah, because you know that paper never what 1 + 1 = 2. What 1 + 1 = 11. Vananga tasangana magoti buzana madumdi pangari kwamuri atugudi avatora dati 1 + 1 = 2 or 1 + 1 = 11. Vanhu kana vakati kutarisa vapana kutotanga kuona at that particular moment kuti you are the enemy, you can still struggle.
Okay.
Because you tell you tell Yavani Kupi, it doesn't make sense. Watching the same statement of the General Chiwenga 2030. The people want to protect after the elections, elections, because this has been passed into law. Let's wait to 2030. So, why did Chiwenga will be president before 2030? What are you trying to say? You know, Traore really was a good expect of at least that is something tangible to know. But I think I'm on Zagango Mera. Brain is not Kura. Not your what?
Alright. Now, one question now. Tita tichiningiri nagoza apa toda kuti tite zvinhu zvedu tichita takabalanza tichienda. Imimi muri kuside kwa Chiwenga kwacho here.
Inini handina side. Inini ndiko side kuti I just want to wake up in the morning and see every Zimbabwean smiling.
Okay.
If you see that is going to bring that smile. That's why in 2017 pakadzipwa Mugabe. Hakuna munhu aifara ZANU-PF. ZANU-PF vanoziva kuti vanhu havaide kubvira kudhara kuma-1980. But the fact that we had a common enemy that Mugabe is our problem. Munhu wese including the opposition that time gathered together wakati let's deal with Nema takabvisa Mugabe takasa Mnangagwa. Why? Because our thing was not kuti we need this person. Our thing was kuti let's do something that will better the lives of every Zimbabwean. So inini handisi kuside kwaChiwenga, handisi kuside kwaMnangagwa, handisi kuside kwaChamisa. I'm on the side of a better life for every Zimbabwean.
Alright. Tiri panyaya ya Traore yamangopinda nayo mudariro iyi. Okay, reason yake yakaita kuti azosiya Chiwenga akontinue ne adzokere kuna Mnangagwa. Makainzwa here because I believe kuti a lot of you guys have watched the broadcasting and ndakaita ndichitaura because I was the first person kuudza vanhu kuti Traore goes back to Mnangagwa.
Okay.
Makainzwa here. Reason.
What was it the reason?
Yes. Iye reason yake yanga iri pakuti zoni vanhu vari because anditu do you know kuti vari in the faction yacho ya Chiwenga group cha vanhu vacho vaiti zoni iye wacho akanzi mutengesi. So after vanhu vatanga kumulabel kuti mutengesi ndo zvinhu zvakaita se zvakanyanya kumubata izvozvo achiti ne fight yakarwa for the past 3 years achirwira the same men kuti aningiriki.
Okay. Ngoma kulia.
Yeah.
Ngoma kulia. Pandatanga kutaura statement rangu ndine mazita ndamenchena. Ndine mazita ndamenchena. Vanhu vakabheka vachifunga kuti Zimbabwe kuzanu-PF vaitamba game iroro rekutinja kuinda.
Yes.
Ndine mazita ndataura. Psychology mazivisa and kudzai chipanga.
Yeah.
These people they flip-flop. Akagona kuti achadiriwe anorata that narrative ojamba because they don't go to tell whether they don't know I just do but these people they are all about it's all about money, it's all about power.
All right, let me ask you a question. I understand this because you know vanhu vazhinji vari kubatwa nenyaya. Even myself, you know, I was touched, but just that, you know, andikwanisa kuzotora side kuti kana kuquestiona decision yemunhu yaaita at the end of the day munhu ane family dzake ane zvinhu zvake zvaanenge achiita nditi. Are you a ZANU-PF supporter or an opposition supporter?
I used to be a ZANU-PF supporter. Okay. But I left the ZANU-PF.
When?
The moment I'm a neutral person.
When?
I don't have any political party.
When did you left ZANU-PF?
2013.
2013.
Yeah.
So which means
the reason why I left is that the opposition proved to me under the government of national unity, the life became better for every Zimbabwean.
Okay.
Then after 2013, the got re-elected, I realized these people they will never change our lives.
Yes.
Because the country knows that the economy knows that back to 2009, 2008. You see?
Yeah.
So from that time, that's when I realized that because I've got my doubts when it comes to Nelson Chamisa. I don't trust him, to be honest. I think Chamisa is just the person who's just happy with the limelight of being an opposition leader. You know, as an opposition leader, tikataka kuupamenda nikuti Chamisa kuvatamkopiana Malema. The argument yavanhu vakawanda kuti no, you can't compare my dynamics. Zimbabwe, next South Africa, because there's democracy in South Africa.
Okay.
But ukabva environment iyoyo, Uganda. Kuti kuna Yoweri Museveni, kuna Bobi Wine.
Yes.
Bobi Wine has been in and out of prison, persecuted. The same energy that we used to see on Morgan Changirai, I don't see even 5% of it in Chamisa. To be honest.
All right. So I mean pakuzofamba kwamakaita mapinda ku opposition in 2013. Saka makazosara makupi, makasara makwa ngonzo, right? Because opposition ndio imwe factions hobo manje. Saka it's always good so that you know when I'm asking these questions ndenda dakunyazoza kuti pa next question ndinezvo ndoda try kubvunza. That's why ndaunzwisisa yeah.
When I left the ZANU-PF in 2013,
yes.
I never belonged to any party.
All right.
After that.
Yeah. But you said you left the ZANU-PF makaenda kumakana opposition yaunza change right game.
No, and ZANU-PF.
I'm not a opposition.
Between 2009 to 2013.
Yes.
The opposition proved to us with them in government, they can change things. But when ZANU-PF won the elections now, then government of national unity by Mira in 2013, that's when I realized that ZANU-PF would never change the lives of the majority. So I left to go to that.
All right. So apa tikutaura nemunhu ari neutral because you know why ndechanyazonzwisisa chinhu wani kuti like pandaengoenda ndiri kubvunza all these questions kuna vanhu vekuti vanenge vari mu opposition handiti and then they fell in love with Traore vachimuona achipusha faction yani ya General Chiwenga saka ndine ma questions ndenda zobvunza manje kuna vanhu vanenge vakadaro but you said imi manga mungori neutral so that question haimbofeka ita valid kwamuri.
To be honest, I told Traore about General Chiwenga. it was music to a lot of people's ears, including me. I don't want to lie.
Okay.
Because in me, I can't wait to see Mnangagwa gone.
Okay.
I can't wait.
All right.
Because what he had actually done to the constitution, he doesn't want to go.
All right.
In 2017, when he came in and said, the voice of the people is the voice of God.
Yes.
And he's the constitutionalist. But of all the things that he said, he's doing the opposite. So if I'm to give Mnangagwa a handshake today, the moment I just take my hand off his hand, I must count my fingers.
Why? Why?
Because the man said something on the right, and he looked left.
All right.
Because when he was asked, I think it was BBC or what,
Yes.
but it was a European broadcasting.
Yes.
He was asked, and he said, if it's time for him to go, he will go. If he said, 10 years is enough time, he will play his part and he will win.
All right.
Is he doing that? No, he's not. So how can I trust someone like that?
Yeah, banonets. All
Right.
right.
So, every government should know that Mnangagwa never removed Mugabe because he wanted to save Zimbabwe. He had an interest, he had an agenda. His agenda was to make sure that because when they removed Mugabe, they said they are criminals around Mugabe. Until now.
But according to the facts, according to the facts, Mnangagwa asiri akabvisa Mugabe akabviswa naChiwenga nemasoja.
No, that's what you think.
But tikutara facts atidi kuti no listen atidi kuti titi ndo zvandiri kufunga tikutara facts pa ground zvinhu zvakanyatsoitika zvatakaona isusu. Yes, because we can't say kuti munhu akatotizawo munyika onzi ndiye akabvisa munhu iye anga asimo munyika.
That was the front.
Yeah, but ndingoti all right, it's okay.
Because if Chiwenga removed Mugabe, there was no need for him to even say, okay, fine, you Mnangagwa can go. You know, you was just supposed to be, okay, Tistaguchimanya, Dindam Visa. But the fact that he became a deputy, it means in the original plan, Mnangagwa was involved. But because he didn't want to appear as if he's in front, he used the military wing.
Because that's not that's not Buddha God. Because do you know what general Rambo ndidi kudzinzwa nyedzo? Even Papa ya general, even though do you know what general pa akatobvisa Papa anga ne powerful kuti aigona kutongotora futi because ndo zvinenge zvitongori pa aigona bva kuti uyu ndakutokusunga.
So is it wise for us to say Mnangagwa was not involved? I can tell you Mnangagwa played a bigger role than Chiwenga in that thing. But Chiwenga being a man in uniform,
saka which means Mnangagwa was the coach, then zvazviri zvidhori zvaitambiswa bhora racho.
To prove to you that he used the people, check how many generals they find and how many of those deaths are just linked with just the rumors to Mnangagwa, but nothing to Chiwenga. No one is saying Chiwenga is the reason why these generals are dying. Everyone is saying it's Mnangagwa.
All right.
Which means it was his plan.
All right. Yeah, zvirimo munzeve. So what are we saying? Saka tikuti chi saka imimi grievances emkomana uyu hapana chakakunikira hapana amuna kumanzwisisa.
No. Traore is my brother.
Yeah.
Is an idiot that just to describe him with one word. Someone who wants power. So he realized that not because that he's not closer, because of what has already started happening in Chiwenga's camp. Could one put it this is a talent. But you think he's going to be embraced because so we are going to embrace him. Not knowing that they already know what the guy is capable of doing. They will never trust him. They'll get rid of him. Very good.
But you know problem iri kunetsa pane nyaya idzi manje ndechekuti imimi handiti mukutotara side muchiti adzokera uko they will never trust him, they will get rid of him handiti.
Yes.
Other guys vari kuti manje isusu totofungidzira kuti anga atori hatingati vari kufungidzira vari kutoti ndokwaanga atori asi akatumwa kunoita se kunogadzira kunobatsira kupusha that faction. Mukuona nyaya dzacho manje.
Let me tell you one thing about Munari power hungry. Munari power hungry zvaanotaura Munari greedy. Anoenda kunoguta dubu rake.
Okay.
He saw an opportunity in opposing Mnangagwa. Ari kuside kwa Chiwenga. He saw an opportunity. That's why he talks about Kesa. That's why he talks about Nyoka Mabunu. You understand? Why? Because he used these names, just to track the land.
No. All right, regarding kubate shoma, but I think background kake kanenge kaitaka kukunzwe ngaimbijana patita kuti talks about Nyoka Mabunu, talks about Geza. Pavakatanga kupusha that gorere gudo guru narrative here andite.
Yes.
Vakatanga kupusha vese na Nyoka Mabunu. Vaka created that channel. Nyoka Mabunu created that channel and it was on 1,000 something followers on WhatsApp and it. And then Traore ndo bava join ama forces. Traore bakazotanga Nyoka Mabunu vatanga za anamudzingwa nani vatanga kupusha vese. Geza anga sata auya anditi.
Okay.
Geza anga sata kupusha nigiri. But vari pakati pe kupusha ka vakomana ngonzi ko wave yawo iriko then Geza obangwera sei ndobva amadheza ake pakatanga kuita kunana mhlanga paya vakomana vanga vari kutopusha but Geza pakatanga kunopusha kunana mhlanga pakazonzi Geza achaoneke vakomana movement ndopa yakabva yaputika ikatosvika up to 300,000 followers chinchi vari vese imomo. Traore akazobudiswa ke kunana Nyoka Mabunu because of nyaya dzawo munongoziva kuti pese panoitika chinhu panongoita kuzongotadza kungonzwana no here and there but vanhu vekuti vanga vari vese. Saka I don't think kuti zita raNyoka Mabunu arishandisa pakuningina vanhu vekuti vaishanda vese.
This is what I'm saying. Let's say we put it, Nyoka Mabunu akanzi a free man now. Who do you think is going to support? Do you think is going to be more inclined to side it Chiwenga?
Nyoka Mabunu.
Yeah.
I think he's going to quit politics for about 2 years. I think under sabbatical. That's what I'm thinking. Ngatingotaura izvi zviri fair zvandokona.
No, but iwo wakangozvitarisa. Who do you think atapinda ballot box you vote for? ED or Chiwenga?
I think ndinoda kutotaura zvinhu zvandinotoona zvikutoitika. Mukomana I think anogona uya achitopusha political career yake ega atori independent ega pasina those guys. You know why?
Yes.
Haana kuwana any financial support or any support from Chiwenga wacho, even though I push a gore regudo guru. You understand? Haana kuwana any support or any help, even Mariema lawyers and stuff and mazona. And then in futi kuna team rinenge ririmo futi vanhu vakazopusha gore gudo guriri after vatonzwani Nyoka Mabunu achipusha movement. Vakutotanga kutomuti is a sell out because paakasungwa aienda kunoreceive mari kuna vanhu vaenda kunoreceive vanhu tichada kutaura mazita zvangu. Saka hanzi is a sell out aitoenda kunotengesa robaita sebabato.
This is the thing about ZANU-PF. The moment you become so much into structure the ZANU-PF, you become greedy.
Yes.
Unogona kutaura chinhu wani nachochona vanhu vakachafana Christopher Mutangwa. Christopher Mutangwa, Victor Matema and the late. May you know rest in peace. These people are on record. They're saying, why don't you give this country to young people? And young people will push the country forward. You remember that?
Yeah, true.
What is Christopher Mutangwa saying now? So, what Christopher Mutangwa wanted was a space because Anga sideline one Mugabe. All he wanted was an opportunity to eat. Now he's eating Mnangagwa. That's a Traore for you. They flip flop. How much you got you end up with the Tata? How there was a game chat? I could jump. I went the one.
But let's talk about this, my brother. Antida angu kunyanya uta nonzi kuita kutaura like tichitaura kunge zvinhu zvinenge zvisipo chinji because inini ndivamwe vanhu vakazoya vakazondudza zvimwe zvinhu hazvo but matauro anozoita zvinhu anozosiyana. There is no way pane zvinhu zvisingaite kutaura. It's not for public consumption zvazvo. imi makatazotarisa zvefaction yachiwenga zvekuti zvese zvataura kuti kwachiwenga anozotadza kudya anozita sei. Imi do you think kuti pane any faction iripo here pepeyo kana kuti chinhu chakatopushwa ndemasiya iwocho chekuti vanhu vavhiringike chete?
I don't think there is anything.
You see?
However, politics in Zimbabwe zakagadzirwa in such a way that they realize this kudhara namadhezi achangirai kuti they need vanhu who work with babysitters.
Yeah.
Vanhu vanobopota kuenda palimelight so that people forget about one side. Then but everyone is focusing on Twitter. You understand?
Yeah.
So we lose the big picture once you're looking at Twitter.
I see.
There are no factions, my brother.
Yeah. Because you know, in Inzwai, but it's just that it is not remera kuti ndizotaura kuti vedwe hamusi kuona wera apa kuti
andikutona panga zvikuitwa na Traore zvotakujamba damba ndopanenge pachitoonekwa kuzanu-PF kuti vanhu vari too vocal vapi, you know, vachitoonekwa kuti okay, this one we can use the ndopanobuda futi macharacters evanhu ipapapa. So it's not something new.
Yeah, kana makadaro kutakwirana. But all right, for today tatitaure but ndoziva kuti ndinoda kuti muchanenge mune mashoko amuda kuzosiya. I just want to ask you just 3 simple questions to taenda pane ma last words enyu. First question, what do you think about Chiwenga wacho here?
Chiwenga was heavily involved in the 1 August 2018. A lot of people died under his command. Chiwenga is on record being the Minister of Health at some point. He reduced our doctors to mere school fees. So there's nothing good that can come out of that particular man.
Okay.
The way he treated his wife, the mother of his wife, and the mother of his children. That alone should tell us that if he can do that to a woman who gave him children, that man can get danger to everyone.
All right. What do you think about Nelson Chamisa?
Nelson Chamisa, when Sale was around, he showed that what opposition politics is like. We thought after Sale is gone, this guy will be more robust in the approach in terms of opposition politics. But he all comes. He says something. We don't need a religious leader. We don't need a pastor. We need a president. We need a political leader. So it's weak, according to me. Because how can you go to the AFM? What if the Bible goes on the president? Why come from the people? Want to put that starter? It tells a lot about you. You don't have a solid ideological standpoint.
All right. Last but not least, what do you think about Mnangagwa?
Mnangagwa is one man that I would like to describe as a confused person, a heartless person, a man that you can't trust. Mnangagwa says one thing and do the other. He's someone that there's nothing to take about the man.
Okay.
He's just a man who was closer to power and there was a vacuum. Then he said there. Because if I was Mugabe, this is what I would have done. If I was Mnangagwa, sorry. After removing Mugabe, I was going to make sure that I make everyone happy. What was I going to do? I was going to make sure that life is going to be okay. There's going to be rule of law. Everybody starts smiling. That's what I was going to do. That was going to be the best campaigning strategy. All this thing of like KB3 was never going to be there. He was just supposed to undo what Mugabe did. It's simple. And he failed.
All right. So, pindai zvenyu pamashoko enyu ekupedzisira tobva tapeta chirongwa.
What I would like to say to the people of Zimbabwe is that I understand we are religious people, we pray to God, but we need to know the difference between religion and politics. They are not shanda prayer, shanda action. You do not pray for your stomach to be full. You do not pray so that when you are betting, then eventually ukangopedza kunamata watogeza muchena. Kana une nzara unopinda chikafu unotenga chikafu. Kana une tsvina unogeza. Vanhu vekuzimbabwe vakapigwa nechechi too much nokuti havachazive pekunamata nepe-action. So church is our biggest problem. And the church is during COVID. But we're not going to matter kumba. Let's separate this with tools. Church in the politics. What if not going to matter? I think they told them matter. But the parents will need action like this. If we do not stand up to defend our country, I will tell you, Munanga, when these friends and children, they're going to tear this country apart. We're talking from 1980. Now we're now in 2026. 46 years of what? Nothing to show for it. A lot of people, we are still struggling. It's called 2017. We're still struggling about the same thing. It's time for us to stand up and defend ourselves. I know in the process some people will die and stuff like that, but I can tell you, if the fear that we have exists, I can tell you good thing. That is under colonization. Because we have to liberate ourselves.
Alright, thank you so much. Ndokutenda ine kubatikira pa chivhitivhiti muchinikirina nguva yenyu. I understand kuti manga makaloda muriloaded and you still have a lot to talk about, but let's meet in the next episode tichizotaura zvimwe zvakasiyana siyana zvinenge zviripo. Feel free kudzoka pa chivhitivhiti chenyu. My platform, your platform, our platform. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Sharp. Right, ndo dzimwe dzenyaya dzatiri kusangana nadzo. Ndiani mumwe next? Ndozoti mune makamirira. Handiti mune munhu makamirira otanga achiuya achipedza masports panapa. Don't worry, regedzai tibva tangofambira nyaya dzacho tobva tangoseta order yacho. Zvamanje manje muri yeZimbabwe, ndini wenyu Colliand, ndini wenyu One Mubhemi wemhiripiri. Ndinoti sarai mune zvakanaka, tisangane pachirongwa chinotevera.